how to generate insane AI art for beginners using Midjourney V4. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video, I will show you how you can easily create your insane AI art. So here are some of the images that you can create using Midjourney, and it will just take you less than 5 minutes to create this kind of artwork. So for you to get started, you need to first create a Discord account. So just go ahead and visit discord.com and create your own account. And Discord is a chat app. It's like a WhatsApp, but here inside the Discord, you have different server here or group. So once you created a Discord account, then that is the time that you can visit the midjourney.com website. And over here, just click getting started. And over here, just go to the left side and click this Midjourney Discord. And once you log into your Discord account, just accept the invite so that your Midjourney will be added inside your Discord account. So as you can see here, I already have the Midjourney server inside the Discord account. So over here, you can start create your own artwork, but I suggest when you create an artwork, don't do it here inside the Midjourney because there's a lot of user here and sometimes it's hard to find your own artwork once you submitted a request to Midjourney. So I suggest that you click add server and click your own server or your own room for your own artwork. So just click create your own server and just follow the steps. So I already created my own server here, as you can see. So here are some of the work that I did. So there's a different way that you can create your own artwork here. So if you want to create an artwork using your own photo, then you can make use of your photo as your source for the artwork. So over here, for example, I have this image and I use this image to create this kind of artwork. So you just need to click it and then just click open browser, and then you just need to copy the link of this image and go back to your Discord. And then down here, just type in the /forward imagine, and then click tab from your keyboard. And then inside the prompt, just paste the image link. And then over here, just add the keywords that you like your photo to transform to. So here, as you can see, we have the Pixar, animation, baby character, realistic. And once you added the keywords, you just need to close it with the double hyphen, V space 4. Click enter after that. And as you can see here, I have the result. And over here, you can just select the photo that you like. For example, the first photo is what I like. So what I did is that I just upscale the photo by clicking this U1. And this is the result. It's a high quality image. And I can just click open browser and download this image if I like to. And also, if you have two photos that you would like to combine as your source image, you can also do that. Copy the image link of the two image. So just click open browser and then copy the link and then do the same thing to the other image. And same earlier, just type in the /forward imagine and paste the link over here. And then just add space and copy the other image link and then just add your keywords over here. So for example, for this image, I add cyberpunk, realistic animation, and then double hyphen, V space 4, and then just click enter, and this is the result over here. And I like this photo, the second photo, and that is what I did a variation. So just click V3 if you want to add variation. So this is the variation image. And also I upscale the second image. As you can see, this is the upscale image over here. But if you don't have any source image, guys, that's totally fine. Inside the prompt, there's no need for you to copy any image link. If you don't have any image, just directly type the keywords here of the image that you would like to create inside the Midjourney. So as you can see here, I entered this keyword. And then after that, the Midjourney created this artwork. And over here, I selected the fourth image. So I upscaled the fourth image, as you can see. And here's the result. And over here as well, I just changed the girl riding a dragon. And here's the result over here. So I guess that's all for today's video. And thank you for watching.